Ok, estamos con mi preciosa hija Julia y vamos a cosechar el ajo. Shake it, sacúdelo un poquito. You gotta shake it a little bit. Qué bonito. Those are little slugs. You gotta pull it. No, qué bacán. Yeah. Como pueden ver, la cosecha está de lo mejor. Qué grande, mira qué bonito. Y esto sale de nuestro jardín en nuestro patio. Estamos cosechando lo más que podemos. That's how the garlic gets seeds. That's flower. Esa es la flor del ajo. Oh, mira qué grande, so big. Dale con fuerza. Ese también está grande. Easy, you gotta shake it in there. Don't. Mira, es tamaño. Está bueno. It's not bad. It's okay. It's fine. You want me to help you?
I feel like that's the smallest one we got.
Hemos tenido mucha lluvia, por eso lo tenemos que recoger. Va a seguir lloviendo. Y estos tienen que ponerse a secar para que puedan durar. Y muchos lo vamos a usar. Vamos a usarlo con aceite de oliva. Vamos a secarlo para hacer ajo en polvo, pasta de ajo. Y lo que yo uso mucho con mis niñas es ajo con miel cuando tienen tos. Oh, ese va a estar grande. That was gonna be huge.
Wait, which one?
Behind you.
This one?
Yeah.
Branches, a bigger.
You gotta get on the bottom, the lowest you can go. Bend your knees. Qué bonito.
Okay. I feel like this one's gonna be a little small. Okay, this one feels like it's gonna be big.
No, don't take that off.
Jimmy's blocking my way though.
Mira esa planta. It's almost your size.
Arms and hands.
To scare the birds from our garden. Yeah, dale. Muy pronto vamos a cosechar las cebollas. Le voy a dar un par de días que salga el sol. Oh, don't break it.
Damn it. Wait, is this one of the garlics?
Yeah.
What is one?
Baby one.
Oh, I got two. Got two little babies.
Didn't get too much sun probably. Easy, easy. That's a sunflower. You're breaking it. Here, I'll take it up for you.
It's like really pretty.
I got.
Oh, this one turned a little pinkish.
Oh. That's just the type. Esa es la clase de ajo. Son diferentes.
I think this is...
There's some in this bed on the edges. En el borde de esta cama de cebollas le pusimos ajo también.
Wait, I know which ones are an onion.
This is a garlic. You know how it looks like this? And this is an onion like that. No, they're not ready. Not yet. We're sticking to garlic today.
Wait, tomorrow?
In a couple of days. There's more on the... Y yo planté ajos alrededor de las camas de vegetales para protegerlos de los insectos un poco. Aquí hay también bastante ajo que tiene que recoger la niña. Uf, mucho trabajo, pero hay que hacerlo. Bueno, ahí nos vamos viendo. Cuidado. That's it.
Fine, I'll make two piles first.
Now you can count as you make piles.
No, I'll make two piles.
You're gonna be here all day counting this.
Fine.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mientras va contando va separando. 5, 6.
Small.
7, 8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, medium,
Small.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. A lot more to count. 39. No, 40. 40. Medium.
Small.
41. 42. 43. What number was I at?
43.
44, 45, 46.
47.
Oh, this is 47?
Yeah.
47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Going all the way in the 50s. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57,
58.
58. I'm gonna put the small on the floor
Okay.
because the big is getting really bigger. Goes there. Oh. Okay. Okay. I was at 52.
6, I think. No, I lost. I started at 56. Whatever. We'll recount it later.
57. 58. Oh, I remember we were at
59.
56. 59 is down there. 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Okay.
Wow. 65, I think.
Yeah, 65. 66. 67. Small. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. Oh my god. Okay. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80,
80.
81, 82, 83, 84, small,
85. Small.
85, 86, 87, big or small,
No, that's fine.
87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. Okay. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. This is small. 99. Okay.
Y ese es el número 100.
100. We're almost done.
No, that's big.
101, 102, 103, 104, 105,
106. Small, that's
106, 107, 108, 109, 1100?
110.
110, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116 plus 3 equals 117, 118. We have 119. Oh my God.
Good job. Buen trabajo. Say buen trabajo. Buen
Buen
trabajo.
trabajo.
Good enough.